In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create rectangular and square shapes in CapCut on PC step by step in a quick and easy way. This is super useful if you want to make clean design elements, borders, callout boxes, overlays, or simple graphics for your videos without needing any extra software. And before we get into it, if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more CapCut tips and editing guides. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open CapCut on your PC and make sure your project is already loaded. Once you're inside the editor, look to the top left media panel. This is where CapCut keeps different creative elements, and the one we need for this tutorial is the stickers section. Go ahead and click stickers to open it. Now, on the left sidebar, you'll see different sticker categories. Look for the shapes category and click on it. This section contains basic shape elements like squares, circles, and other simple graphics that you can add directly to your timeline. For this tutorial, we're focusing on the square shape because it's the easiest starting point for creating both squares and rectangles. Once you find the square shape, drag it down onto your timeline. You can place it on a track above your video so it appears as an overlay. After you drop it into the timeline, the shape will appear in your preview window, and now you can start adjusting it to fit your design. Next, click on the shape layer in the timeline so it becomes selected. When you select it, CapCut will show the vector panel in the top right. This is where you can control the shape's appearance and size. From here, you can change the color if you want a different look, adjust the stroke thickness if you want an outline, or remove it completely if you only want a solid shape. If you want a perfect square, simply keep the proportions even and resize it as needed. But if you want to turn that square into a rectangle, you just need to disable uniform scaling. Once uniform scaling is off, you can stretch the shape wider or taller without keeping the same width and height ratio. That means you can make a long horizontal rectangle, a tall vertical rectangle, or any custom box shape that fits your video perfectly. This is really useful for things like lower thirds, text backgrounds, highlight bars, and layout elements. You can also position the shape wherever you want in the preview window, and because it's a vector shape, it stays clean and sharp while you edit it. Take a moment to fine-tune the size, color, and thickness until it matches your project. If you need a bold border, increase the stroke. If you want a clean filled block, leave it solid and use the exact dimensions you need. Once you've got the shape looking right, you're done. So that's how to create rectangular and square shapes in CapCut on PC using the stickers and shapes tools. It's a simple trick, but it can make your edits look much more professional and organized. If this video helped you, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss the next CapCut tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.